these 5 websites to exercise your hacking skills whether you are a hacker, cybersecurity, pen tester, or still a noob. These vulnerable websites are great for developing our minds, increasing our capacity to solve problems. New innovative ideas come to our minds. Also, you will face brainfuck a lot of difficulties. Never give up, always try to give your best, because if you want to be a professional hacker, then you must know about the hacker attitudes, and real hackers never give up. There are a lot of gaping holes in almost every security system, and to discover these this is also a great opportunity to also discover the various tools that are needed for hacking, what the different options are, etc. Use these websites to practice your hacking skills so you can be the best defense. Hey guys, it's John here from HackerJoe Channel. Welcome to HackerJoe Channel. We show you technology like hacking skill, how to hack, how to be hacker, programming language, best website, best things, and amazing things. Make sure subscribe to channel and don't forget to click notification bell. And if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about this video, just leave on the comment down below. Now let's get start the video. The first is Hack the Box. Hack the Box is a collection of vulnerable applications called machines. Each of the machines is unique and contains a set of vulnerabilities. The hacker has to compromise it and gain the required privileges. The good thing about Hack the Box is that a large number of machines are already there for practice, and walkthrough tutorials are available in case you are stuck. New ones are added regularly containing most recently found vulnerabilities. The free version offers access to live machines only. Old machines and walkthroughs are available on a paid subscription. Hack the Box is an online platform allowing you to test your penetration testing skills. It contains several challenges that are constantly updated, some of them simulating real-world scenarios and some of them leaning more towards a CTF style of challenge. It contains several challenges that are constantly updated, some of them simulating real-world scenarios and some of them leaning more towards a CTF style of challenge. You should try this site out if you have an interest in network security or information security. The second is Port Swigger's Web Security Academy Labs. You must have heard of Burp Suite, a web application penetration testing tool. Burp Suite developers now offer free online web application security training courses. Training includes tutorials and exercises on nearly all common vulnerabilities in modern web applications. Once you're good enough, you can compete with others to tackle the newly added challenges first. They offer HOFs for seasoned hackers and loot for hackers who perform well. The third is Game of Hack. This game was designed to test your application hacking skills. You will be presented with vulnerable pieces of code, and your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to find which vulnerability exists in that code as quickly as possible. In the game, developers and security professionals test their application hacking skills, improve their code security know-how, and facilitate better security practices in hope of reducing the number of vulnerabilities in their applications. Available for desktop, tablet, and mobile, Game of Hacks presents developers with vulnerable pieces of code and challenges them to identify the application layer vulnerability as quickly as possible. It even has a 2-player mode allowing head-to-head competition. Players analyze vulnerabilities including SQL injection, XSS, log forgery, path traversal, parameter tampering, and others in myriad programming languages. Game of Hack is also my favorite, but I don't like them because they are not secure. They use HTTP. The fourth is Hellbound Hackers. The name sounds and the site lives to its name. It has articles, tutorials, hacking challenges, and a forum. You can practice web hacking, email tracking, software cracking, encryption challenges, steganography, and even social engineering. Hellbound Hackers have been under controversy for allegedly distributing hacking tools. However, this page on their site clarifies that they are providing security-related material in a legal manner. The last is Hack This Site. This one is very famous among hackers, probably because its founder got arrested for illegal cyber activities. The negative fame has helped well in marketing Hack This Site without significant efforts. Hack This Site is versatile. The hacking challenges on this site are called missions and are classified like basic missions, realistic missions, application missions, programming missions, phone phreaking missions, JavaScript missions, forensic missions, XBasic missions, Stego missions, IRC missions, as quoted on hackthesite.org. You should tune into the Hacker Underground and get involved with the project. Thanks for watching this video so far. If you like these videos, then please share them with your friends and colleagues. If you have any questions or feedback, then drop a comment.